So hello bachcho, in the analog clock there is a 12 column marked by 1 to 12 and the clock having two hands. The longer one is a minute hand and the smaller one is an hour hand. When the larger hand is on 12 and smaller hand is on 6, we say it's a 6 o'clock. Now let's learn how to read a clock. So here you can see the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 6. Then it is 6 o'clock. So when minute hand goes to 5, it's 6 past 5. Then to 10, it's 6 past 10. Then to 15, it's quarter past 6. Then to 20, it's 6 past 20. Then to 25, it's 6 past 25. Then to 30, it's half past 6. Then it is at 35, it's 25 minutes to 7. Then at 40, it is 20 minutes to 7. Then 45, quarter to 7. Then at 50, 10 minutes to 7. Then at 55, 5 minutes to 7. Then finally at 12 and it is 7 o'clock. Thank you bachcho. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.